Absolutely incredible. I felt so much energy which I've never felt before.
I think she works at an incredibly high level and she seems to be getting amazing results with people.
Quantum bioenergetics is quite definitive in its title. It's the use of readily available quantum-based frequencies which we use via the human energy anatomy to trigger the biology to heal itself. So it's a hands-off process, it's non-invasive. The body's immersed in that frequency, that body then lifts its vibrational state, the cellular vibration lifts, and from there the body prioritises the healing for itself. This works on any level of disease, ailment, injury, disability. It covers mental illnesses, cancers, AIDS. I'm yet to see anything that it doesn't work on.
It's just been amazing, absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's so real.
And it's so easy to understand and it's something you can feel palpably. It's concrete and we all have the gift.
I will tell you this about healing sessions, there is always a healing. It might not be what you anticipate, but chances are what might shift is a balance in the endocrine system which caused the cancer in the first place.
It was just incredible. I just felt relief and, you know, I just laid down and everything kind of just stopped hurting. While she was working on me, she was working over my legs and I can't feel them obviously because I'm paraplegic, but I would have sworn someone was touching me.
I have a background in science, I'm an anatomical physiologist. I read a scientific paper on the effect of quantum frequencies on the human cell. I then sought out the guy that had written that paper, went to a lecture, and the most important thing I found at that lecture was that this is an ability we all have. I seem to have a very strong gift with it, and the physical evidence of what was changing was immediate. From that day forward, the changes on the people I was working on was extraordinary. From there I had to trust that what was happening was real, and from there we've chased research ever since. The skeptic in me keeps the research moving forward in this as well.
We've done 3 separate studies and each is supportive of the fact that there's a real effect going on that is independent of the placebo effect, which we're also controlling for. But the fact that there is something going on outside of conventional science is very exciting.
Mel's work sits right in the centre of what scientists on the level of quantum physics and quantum biology are really looking at so deeply, which is that the cells are receptors and senders of information, and that our highest potential is this high vibrational frequency. And I'm finding some truly remarkable results through using this particular way of working with people.
Quantum bioenergetics is global. We're all over the world, teaching around the world, working everywhere from the slums of India to East Africa to New York, you name it, we're everywhere. Probably the most important thing about quantum bioenergetics is that it's everyone's gift. They have this, it's theirs to use at whatever level they want to.
I had doctors telling me that my only option was palliative care. So to be able to leave a session feeling better and feeling hopeful is amazing. I was able to start working again. I was able to start looking after my kids. You can't discount that. What she does is very profound, and I've watched her make an incredible difference in people's lives. And I think that the real problem is that there's not enough of her to go around.
I find it as fascinating as anyone. I haven't lost my wonder of it for the fact that after many years and thousands of clients later, we just see the most extraordinary healings, and these people are healing themselves. All we're doing is putting them in the right environment to do it.